Yeah, hi. My name's James Stewart. I'm the founder and designer at Three Phase. The awareness now that there's a real pressure on the environment. People want to make a change, and I wanted to give people a tool. This really is what led us to design the Three Phase One. It's designed in such a way that you can step on and step off really easily and goes from 5'4" to 6'7". The Three Phase One is really designed to be the e-bike for everyone. It should fit your routine and it shouldn't be disruptive in the process. It's got disc brakes, it's got a throttle so you don't even have to cycle if you don't want to. There's a really nice suspension module in the front fork. The motor is a 250 watt or a 350 watt. And a key feature as well is the battery. It's removable and lockable. So there's no more having to carry the bike upstairs or into the office. You don't even have to turn the battery on. You can cycle it as a normal bike. So it's an e-bike or it's a normal bike. It's got the function for it all. Electric bikes aren't cheating. They allow you to cycle that extra mile that could have been a car journey. To show our commitment further, we've partnered up with One Tree Planted. And so for every e-bike we sell, we'll plant a tree, and it's a global, worldwide scheme. I've been in the industry for 15 years now. Cycling is in my DNA, as is design. I've ridden lots of bikes, designed lots of products, and so I spent the time and the effort and really put that and concentrated on making a bike I feel is the right bike for everyone. And it's an e-bike for everyone.